Ganda yan. Long again.
Hindi pa nagsisimula yung
Parang
araw ng asawa.
Parang hindi mo kasi, parang binubuli niyo ako ah.
Manalo ka? May ref yan sa loob.
Rachel Noki, thank you. Thank you so
Congrats.
much. Yeah, the great one, pinakamayaman.
He knows who the perfect girl is for me. I know, and I believe.
Thank you!
And only wearing a white gown while walking in a some makeup for a beautiful bride, wearing a necklace with a lot of pearl that reflects the kindness of her heart to the beautiful lady that God gave me. Can you say you love me forever and always?
Ay, wala ka mga saan.
You're coming near me. I can't wait to hear you say I do.
Kadena. Galing ng pin. Giving you this bracelet as a symbol of my loyalty. As you holding this bracelet, you will be reminded holding my heart forever.
Nice. Baka COD to ah.
Ikaw magbabayad.
Uy, another gift! Another gift!
Yes, great.
Thank you, love. Thank you, love ko, for giving me time.
Be your one and only. He knows who the perfect girl is for me. I know, and I believe that it's you.
Maraming salamat sa pagtanggap kung anong meron ako at kung anong wala ako. 3,222 araw. 460 buwan with remainders of 2 days. At kung sa taon, mahigit 8 taon na simula nang maging ikaw at ako.
Reflects the kindness of her heart to the
Una sa lahat, gusto kong pasalamatan ng Panginoon at pinupuri ko siya para sa iyong buhay. Siyempre, kila tita na ginamit yung instrumento, maging ikaw ngayon. Kung ano ka, ginabayan ka nila.
You're coming near me. I can't wait to hear you say I do.
Come, let's find a place where we can get away. Just spend the day
He will grant you patience to one another, grant you comfort, not necessarily comfortable life. Minsan may pagsubok, lalo na kung bago kayo mag-asawa. Have one mind. O yung mouth, one mouth, one heart, isang damdamin. At of course, isa na kayong laman. You become one flesh, you know.
The story's just begun.
Mamahalin kita na tulad ng pagmamahal ni Kristo sa kanyang simbahan. Iingatan kita at aalagaan kita. Aalagaan ko ang relasyon nating dalawa sa hirap o ginhawa, sa lungkot o ligaya, sa pagsubok man o biyaya.
It's just begun. Just begun.
Bago sumapit ang araw na ito, ang nasa isip ko ay isang kaduwagan, ang hindi ipaglaban ng sarili. Pero kanina, habang nag-aasikaso ako, isang bagay ang nasa isip ko. Ang kaduwagan ay hindi nababase sa pakikipaglaban kung anong meron ka. Bagkus, ang katapangan ay nababase sa kung paano ko poprotektahan ang pamilya na meron ako.
Just begun. The story's just begun.